So, I don't know if I have to really cover this side up, but there's a package and it has like the decoration on it and stuff, so that's why it kind of... Yep, I ordered this for Kenny's birthday, but unfortunately it did not get here in time, so it's a little bit late, but that's okay. I hope that this is something that he'll want and actually like. Go ahead and open it up for you. It's his old one's getting pretty bad and beat up and stuff, so it's like a leather material. It's what it feels like, leather. So it's a wallet. And like I said, his old one's getting pretty beat up. So hopefully this is something that he'll actually want and use.
What? That's cool.
From what I could tell when I was looking at the pictures online, I tried to get one that had similar pockets to the one you had.
Yeah.
But obviously it's not exact.
That's awesome. I do need a new one.
Look at the back picture with it open up all the way.
Okay, that's cool.
Do you like it?
I do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I did good?
You did good. I like it.
What's up? We got a BS package, and I think I know what it is. Ooh, it is. I better be careful. Whoop to the whoop. We got 3 items in here. Ready for this? I guess I'll do one at a time here. First up, ooh, girl, I know, tell me about it. Alright, next. Ooh, girl, tell me about it. I know. And here is the really cool one. Well, I mean, they're all cool, but... And on that note, we have one more. And I have a little hunch what it might be. Okay. Okay, it is. Whoop to the whoop. How fucking fresh is that? This is a 2014 from Hatchet Gear. But it's like practically brand new. I love it. It's such good quality too, yo. Like, seriously. I hate my tripod. Oh, we're upside down. Do you guys want to try this again? Awesome patch. I really do like it. It's really good quality. Oh. Right, we got 3 packages today, and I think we should start smallest and work our way up. What do you think about that? So, we got our knifey, as Kenny would say. Watch out, Puddin'! Ming thinks she's helping me. Okay, I know what this is. If you can kind of tell when you fill it in the package. How cute is that? us, we do a little Christmas photo each year, and if you watch my vlogs, you've seen my photos that we do each year. And this is going to be this next year's. I kind of have this idea of like her wearing this and like us holding her, and then like us underneath the mistletoe or something, you know, along those lines. I just think it would be cute. Now, these two packages, this one especially, I have no freaking idea what could possibly be in there because I didn't order anything that would be remotely that big. Oh shit. What the hell did this happen? I got a hair elastic wrapped around my pocket now. Like, I honestly cannot for the life of me figure it out. And I would really like to figure it out before I open it. Oh, Jesus, that's gonna get everywhere. We're not throwing that over our shoulder. Oh, I know what this is. We can save this box, can't we? Oop. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. I know what this is. But it probably won't interest you guys too much. I have this project. They're always projects. They're old vintage, like, oh, I don't know, I'm gonna butcher this. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Let's move you down a little bit, huh? They're old pieces of furniture, wooden and then metal. It's like office supplies. I don't know how to... They're all... It's like an old estate sale thing. And there's like these little desks. Jesus. I don't know how to describe it, but it's a project I have in mind. That's the only thing I can say. If you know what a shadow box is, then you'll kind of know what I'm wanting to do with this furniture. Jeez. So, and that gives you a better mindset of kind of what I have in mind. This one I'm the most curious about. What in the hell? Oh! I know what this is! I didn't think it would be this big of a package, but Ow! Did you have to jump on my back? She's scared of like plastic and stuff. I did not think it was going to be this big, my lord. Honestly, when I got this online, I thought it was going to be like really little ones, like maybe like this big, tops. I had no idea it was going to be this big, and there's 3 of them. Oh shit. Stuff's falling. Okay. I'm not really sure how well this is going to work. Maybe it would be best if I just got it out and then showed you on the floor. That might be best. Hold on. Okay, here's one. And you can see like the size comparison. Here's one. And here's the 3rd one. And I think this is going to be awesome to put in my display case for my Pocahontas collection, which is right here. And as you can see, there's already quite a bit in there. But that's my Pocahontas collection. I have a hunch what this is, and because, can you hear it? It's rattling. Oh, that was my phone. Oh, it is what I think it is. This cute little box. And I have been wanting this for a long time for my lunches. Like when you pack your lunch or whatever. Or even just like to keep at the house, I guess. If I can get it out. Isn't that cute? Nice and small. I am a chopstick person. So, we have some chopsticks here. And they're like, I don't know if you want to say foldable or whatever, but oh, it's kind of hard to get on there. But you got your chopsticks. And they're plastic, so I can wash them and reuse them. Ooh, the tips are like a little bit rougher. That's cool. And then it's got a spoon. So you can interchange it if you need a spoon or if you need chopsticks.
Thanks for watching!